Now that we have our LED in place, our next steps are to install the shims and our design, our plastic design. So the first thing you want to do is take one of your shims. You've got a wider portion. The wider portion goes towards the bottom. You're going to go ahead and just kind of insert that bottom portion, get it seated as tightly as possible, push it up against the LED, and then go ahead and place it in there. Okay. Now you're going to see that it's going to kind of sit, but the LEDs are, you're still going to see the LEDs. So you still want to see the LEDs. So all it's doing is just shimming out your plastic so that your plastic sits on those LEDs. Now I'm going to take my plastic, which is super clean. Okay, so I've cleaned it off already and have no dust on it. And I'm going to carefully place this in here. And you can even do it with tissue if you want so that you don't get fingerprints on it. And then you're going to check to make sure that the plastic is riding on top of the LEDs. And you can see that that's the case here. Okay. Then the last step is to place this piece. And again, all that's going to do is just shim it in there and hold it in place so that when this gets attached, the back gets attached, then nothing's going to slosh around.